Alright, Algebra 1, welcome to your quiz review video for 1.41 or 1.1 to 1.4. Hopefully the last day of being a little under the weather, so bear with my voice here. Guys, here are the answers. This is not exactly, an identical copy of your quiz review, but it's the same questions here. So I wrote each question up at the top. 2x plus 4, you write that as saying 2 times the number x plus 4. The answer for 2 is right here. 7 minus 3 times the number x. This would be 1/2 a number x plus 3 for number 3. And 4 is some number, a number x squared minus 6. If you have the quotient of x and 6, it would be x divided by 6. 23 minus 7x, it's very close to number 2 there. 8 times the number x, 8x plus 17. It's very important, folks, that you do the sum of x and 4 first. You multiply that entire quantity by 3. All right, then order of operations, do this division first, and you can multiply, you get 19. Again, pause this at any time if you need to check your answer, if you made a mistake. Do 10 divided by 2 first. 24 minus 5 is 19. On 11 here, do this parentheses. Then you really just have a string of multiplication. You can multiply all three of those numbers together to get 90. Add that to 16 to get 106. On 12, work with that parentheses first. You get 6, square it, then subtract from 31 to get -5. 8 times -5 is -40. Again, if there are any mistakes in this video, you get a bonus point if you're the first one to let me know of them tomorrow. 6 minus 2 is 4, another string of multiplication that gives you 84 plus 14 is 98. Add, and then square it up top to get 100. Subtract, you're going to get 2. 5 times 2 is 10. 100 divided by 10 is 10. All right, next page here, 15. Work inside this bracket, which is just really a parentheses. 9 times 2 is 18. Minus 2 to the third is 8. That gives you 10. 7 times 4 is 28. That sum is 38. Let's see, do the 27 divided by 3 here. You can also do 3 squared. 9 times 5, 45. This gives you 9. 54 is your answer. Here's the answer to 17. 4 squared is 16. 11 minus 5 is 6. That product is 96. Up top, you got to add 1 and 5. Then you square 6, multiply it by 4, and divide by 18 minus 6 is 12. 24 divided by 4 is 6 plus. Is very similar to number 16 here. You're going to square 3, multiply it by 5. You're going to get 51. On 20, 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 squared is 4. That product is 16. Add it to 3, you get 19. 19 times 9, 171. Here on 21, that's where you had to substitute. Again, you're going to have 8 of those on your quiz, as I mentioned on Friday. A was 4, C was 5. Plug that in. 32 minus 35 is -3. A is 4, B is 2. And then, let's see. Oh, I thought we had division there. That is not. That's just telling you to do this first. And then C is 5, all right? That product's 56 plus 10 is 66. Got to plug 4 in, then square it, then multiply it by 3. Minus 2 times 2 is 4. You get 44. On 24 here, plug in 2 for B, 5 for C, 4 for A, and 2 for B again. Find the two products, add them together. 4 minus 2 is 2. Half of 38, 19 is your answer. On 25, we're going to do a little distribution. All right, draw the arrows. You get 18 plus 30x. Take 1/2 of both those terms, 6x minus 4. Here, distribute 6x plus 15. Positive 2 times 1 is 2. Positive 2 times 5x, 10x. Add, combine like terms. In this case, you're adding, so 16x plus 17. 28, just distribute 18x minus 12. 4/5. You can really do 10 times 4 divided by 5. 40 times 4 divided by 5, you get 8x minus 32. Same thing as you had on 27, distribute here. Just be careful. -3 times 4 is a -12. -3 times a -7, positive 21. These terms cancel. 12x minus 12x is 0. 20 plus 21 is 41. There's your answer for 31. 2/3 of all those numbers. All right, multiply 9. It's all right if 9's on the right side. 1/5 of 15 and 25. And lastly, multiply everything by 4. X squared is a different term than x, so don't combine them. All right, folks, that is your quiz review video for your quiz tomorrow, Tuesday. All right, this is Yak Math Video signing out.